रुको तुम. हाँ.
Hi buddy, this is Shobit. As a captain, we are rafting our boat in the river. We'll see you later. Okay.
Start.
मेरे को नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रहा. Hey, hi, I am Captain Yogesh. You can see me. I am.
हाँ. Start.
Hi,
this is Adarsh.
Captain Adarsh.
We are at river rafting and water over here is very deep. And this is an adventure. We are out for adventure.
हाथ में बोला कैसा? बोलो भैया, रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है.
Facebook पर डालेगा भैया.
हाँ. Start.
Hi, this is Captain Sunil. I am riding boat for the first time and I am very excited. And thank you, Sachi.
Start.
Hi dude, this is Captain Ankush and we are doing river rafting and this is the first time we have come here. And you know what? We have one asshole amongst us who is just recording. And
Not
we are
doing
fucking
anything.
rowing the boat.
Hi, this is Captain Sachidanand. I am controlling everything here.
You are not holding the rafter, right? You are not rafting.
Till now I have hold the camera.
Yeah.
Is it okay? One.
Seems
two,
like
three,
you are a
start.
calm chore. You should do hard work, man. Raft fast. Okay. So it's an awesome trip. Everyone is enjoying here. Hip hip! Hooray!